Maybe I'll stay this time, whether you had asked me to. I'm back into it, ready, your hand in mine. I could only get so far without your guide. Whether you had asked me to, I'm back into it, ready, your hand in mine. I could only get so far without you by my side. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you how to play the song that was requested. If you guys have other requests, let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to oblige as much as I can. And I'm getting to all of them that I can. So if you've made a request a little bit ago and I haven't gotten to it yet, I promise I'm going to do my best. So please hit like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Maybe that's stupid, but it does. All right. So make my day and hit like and subscribe. And also leave me a comment. You know, if you want to say, hey, Blaze, you're a great guitar teacher or something like that, I wouldn't be opposed. But save the rude comments for someone else. I don't want to deal with it. JK, whatever you want to do. All right. So this is a great song. This is She's Quiet by the Home Team. So the song only has 3 chords. I'm really showing you how to play like an acoustic version of it. I have an electric guitar. I don't use it a ton just because I live in an apartment and I don't want the people, my neighbors, to get mad at me. And I don't want to be, I don't want to be too loud. So anyway, I'll make one someday with it. maybe I'll do like Highway to Hell or something like that with it. But anyway, I'll show you. So it only has 3 chords, all right? So it's going to be standard tuning, and you put a capo on the 1st fret. All right, when you watch my videos, you know if I have this guitar, it's either in standard or drop D. If I have my other guitar that's lighter colored, that one is tuned a half step down always. So anyway, let's get into it. So you're going to use A. All right, you're going to use C sharp minor. So C sharp minor. So you know you put your pointer finger on the A string, on the it's the 4th fret in relation to the capo. It's the 5th fret overall. So everything is when there's a capo. Everything from there, you do everything in relation to the capo. So that fret is like 0, okay? So you do, so your pointer finger goes on the 4th fret in relation to it. On the A string, you're gonna basically play a power chord. You're gonna put your ring finger, all right, on the 6th fret. All right, on the D string, your pinky goes on the 6th fret. On the G string, and your ring finger goes on the, if you can see like that. Okay, your ring finger goes on the 5th fret on the B string. Okay, you're supposed to bar from the A string down. If you can't though, that's fine. I would still try because it'll at least mute the other strings. But if you can't do that, just play it like a power chord. And you don't have to do this part, but it'll sound a lot better if you put your middle finger down. Okay, then you're also going to slide down and do B. A lot of you have a hard time with B. That's all right. So B is supposed to be with those 3 fingers down like that. All right. An easy rip-off way to do it, kind of like I don't know, I call it like a punk way to do it, but so when you're doing C sharp minor, just lift up your middle finger and slide it down 2 frets. All right, you should still be barring if you can, but anyway, so yeah, so you go from C sharp minor to B, and then you go back to A. So you're just going to use those 3 chords, all right? I'm going to show you where you use them. So the intro part, I mean, honestly, if you just kind of want to like blast it and play it with it I would listen to the song and try and play with it. You can play these chords with it, but it's pretty dang fun. So you're going to start with, all right, so you're going to do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so down, up, down, up. And then I'm doing, again, this is kind of like an acoustic way, but I'm doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so they do a lot of muting and stuff. I'm just showing you a very easy acoustic way to play it. All right, so then when you start, so you'll do that a few times. Down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so when you'll start, you'll just do A, and you're just gonna let it ring out. Now you can palm mute it if you want, okay? But I would let it, the way that they do is they let it ring out. So it's better off saying nothing, but I get so caught up in it, so caught up in you. So you do A on, right before I'm better off saying nothing, but I get so caught. Okay, caught is C sharp minor, so that's easy to remember. Caught starts with C. Caught up in it, so caught. And then the second caught is B. caught up in you. So here's to the first is A, first time I've arrived with nothing. So with nothing is where you're gonna do C sharp minor, with nothing left to lose. So nothing left is gonna be C sharp minor, left to lose. All right, and you can also do it the same strumming part thing there. Okay, the down, down, up thing. So you could do, I'm better off saying nothing, but I get so caught up in you. Okay, and then you can go into it like that. So you can play that way if you want to. It's probably easier if you just do the single strums, especially for acoustic. It sounds better if you like give it some variation. So after you do, let's see, with nothing left to lose, you go into A. Okay, then I would speed it up and for the pre-chorus because that's what they do. So you're gonna do the same thing. You're just gonna do the A, C sharp minor, B. All right. You should see what I've become so obsessively. So you're starting with A, and then you do so obsessively is C sharp minor. So obsessively lost in the way. Way is B. Way I love it. It isn't like is A. Like me though. Oh no, to just lose. Lose is C sharp minor, lose, control. Control is B, control. You go into A. All right, so now you know the first verse. When you go into the chorus, you're gonna do just that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so, and then down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Maybe I'll stay this time. Okay, so you're just doing A is maybe. Maybe I'll stay this time, whether you had asked is C sharp minor, ask me to, I'm back is B, so easy to remember, back into it, ready your hand in, so ready is A, ready your hand in mine, I can only get is C sharp minor, get so far without, okay, without, out is B, out your guide, and then you go to A, okay, guide, and you're just gonna do no lyrics at first. Whether you had asked is where you do C sharp minor, ask me to, I'm back, okay, back is B, back into it, ready is A, ready your hand in mine, I could only get is C sharp minor, get so far without you by my side, so without you is B, without you by my side, inside you do A, okay, and you're just gonna do what you did at the intro again, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, and you go into the next verse. The only thing that's a little bit different from that is the bridge, but it's actually still the same chord progression the whole time. I would still strum it the same way, just again because I'm just doing this for beginners. So you could do, it's in my head, I'm waking up again. Okay, and I'd lost the C sharp minor. I'd lost my way, but now is B. Now I'm home. Still is A. So then you're just gonna repeat that. So it's really easy to play, at least this way. The strumming patterns can get pretty intense. So, but let me know in the comments too. Would you guys like me to do like more intense of the strumming patterns and stuff, or do you want me to do these like acoustic versions of stuff? Anyway, thanks for watching. It's been fun, and see me next time.